Welcome to BusyAI Technologies, and today we will be discussing data analytics interpretation and AI for business development. Now let's start. We will go through this outline. I will start with data analytics overview, data analytics techniques, talk about some data analytics tools, and take you through artificial intelligence overview with a focus on responsible AI and the relevant principles of responsible AI, which is very vital for us at BusyAI Technologies. At BusyAI Academy, our AI, machine learning, and data analytics training, courses, and events will equip you with data analytics techniques ranging from descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, which are used to answer different business questions, from reviewing past performance to recommending future actions. For more information, please contact us via our email, which is admin@busyitechnologies.com. I repeat, admin@busyitechnologies.com, and our website is www.busyitechnologies.com. Thank you. Thank you, and see you at our events, conferences, and training globally. We can't wait for you to grow with us at BusyAI Technologies.